Rev it up.
Yo, it's damn, Jay, you entering that corner deep, boy.
Well. It's drift day.
Donut day.
Yeah, realistically. We made a quick stop at a new Buc-ee's that just was built in Daytona. We got our boy Anthony here, Mr. Panda Gen bagged boy with the R33.
Sir.
We should be seeing it soon.
Next week, maybe.
You promise?
Thank you.
We have the Z all loaded up. The car's looking super ugly as always. The pollen isn't doing us any favors. I did start sanding the roof, getting through all of the clear coat because we are gonna repaint the car. I got all the paint for it. She's a work in progress, and if Jess ends up totaling the car today, it's okay.
What's okay?
You totaling the car. Oh my gosh, Jay, I found your twin. He's so cute, just like you.
Is it because of the cheeks?
No, it's because of the red shirt.
I thought it was because of teeth.
We're not invited to my private day anymore.
Let's see your best impression. Nice. So this is a girl's private day, so that means the girl is gonna unload the trailer. Struggling there?
No.
No?
At least your nails look good.
Let's see them nails. Yep, those are gonna be broken by the end of the day.
Are you gonna get me new ones?
No. Okay, now you're gonna back it off the trailer. You heard me. You know, and I'm such a good boyfriend. I got the door for you. We need some manpower. There we go, okay. No, don't.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, really?
You're trying to blame me? I was just holding the clutch.
Yeah, well, I lowered the car since we put the Wisefab on. I shouldn't have. So Ant's going with Jess. She's just gonna do some manual practice in the pits here. Babe.
Learning from the wrong guy, bro.
Well, hey, I've already been with her enough. I think maybe
No,
she could take some
you are the wrong guy
tips.
he's talking about.
Oh.
I'm talking about reverse gear.
Oh no! Oh my god! Oh yeah, Mr. Shift into reverse. Oh my gosh. Seems like it's gonna be a long day, but you know, you pay 120 bucks to get some more manual practice. What's the harm in that? Well, I think, Jess, you got a decent amount of manual practice. Are you feeling a little bit more comfortable?
I think we're gonna try some tandems now.
Yeah, you wish. What she wants me to do is show her exactly what it is that I'm trying to get her to do. You know, we watched plenty of the Drift Bible, plenty of how-to drift videos, so thanks Chelsea DeNova for all those. Those were pretty good, the ones that we watched last night. I want to see those counter steer donuts. I think if we can get that down, that would be great. You know, see, this is what we do. We set the bar so low that it's easy to get to.
But the thing is, I'm still failing.
No! All right, so I'm gonna show Jess exactly what we're gonna do. See these two cones? We're just gonna stick on this outside one, and you're gonna practice your counter steer donut. For now, I'm gonna have you pull up next to this cone. You're gonna turn to the left just a little bit, rev it up, and then just let off the clutch fast. Okay, so it's... Then let the wheel turn, and then keep turning in. You see how I keep turning in? Turn back in. Turn back in. Turn back in. Stay on throttle. I'm giving it gas. It's taking us out. See what I mean? Just like that. That's all it is.
I think I can do that.
Yeah. Stop right here. Stop. And then rev it up. And then just let off the clutch. And then turn. Yeah. And then let off the more. Then let off the clutch. More throttle. More. Okay. Now pop the clutch. Now turn the other way. Clutch in, clutch in, clutch in. When you're about to stop, clutch in. So reposition yourself the same way. But yeah, that was good. Just make sure you commit to the throttle too. And then get ready for that counter steer, that initial counter steer.
Okay, so turn in and then like let it slide out.
Yes, yep. More throttle, more throttle. Oh. Counter steer, counter steer. Turn in, turn in, turn in, turn in. More throttle, more throttle. Turn in. All right, too much, too much. Same thing, get ready for the counter steer. Counter steer. Turn in, turn in, turn in. So you see how I mean? You gotta turn in. Rev it up. Too much, too much, too much, too much. That was too much. You saw how that was too much, right?
Too much throttle.
Yeah. More throttle, more throttle, more throttle. No, no, stop, 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 stop. Okay. Okay, you should have held in the clutch. It's okay, just back up. Just remember, you want to give it enough throttle to break traction. So when you broke traction, you let off the gas a little bit. You don't want to let off the gas. You want to give it enough to stay out of traction and then turn in. No, let off throttle, keep going. More throttle, throttle, throttle. Turn back in, turn back in, turn back in. Less throttle, less throttle, less throttle, less throttle, turn back in. Less throttle, less throttle, less throttle, turn back in. Turn in, turn in, turn in, turn in. Turn in, turn in. Turn in, turn in. Turn in. Turn in. Turn in. All right, now straighten out. There you go, there you go. Nice. There you go, nice. See, it's all about getting that turning back in. All right, you want to take a break? Oh, okay. Hey, high five, high five. I'm proud.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so nice. Off camera, you've been yelling at me.
No, I have not. Yeah. What Jess mentioned was that it would be good for her to do a couple laps, learn a little bit more, and then see me basically replicate it, so that it just further solidifies
So I
the
can
learning.
see how it's supposed to look.
Well, no, you honestly did what I had asked.
Right, but when I'm doing it, I'm like so focused on so many things that it's hard for me to like pay attention to everything. So I'll just focus on like feeding the wheel through your hands and not like crossing your arms over, because I was kind of struggling with that a little bit.
Right.
Kind of like doing really well.
Yeah. That's why they say it's all in the seat time. So.
All in the seat time.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, ma'am.
Yep.
All right, let's go out again.
All right.
But it's all about that motion to turn back in and then steering with your foot. Maybe you understand a little bit more what I meant by steering with your foot. Because as long as you stay on throttle, you'll always be kicked out sideways more. All right, you got this, babe. Okay, chill, 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 chill. That was too much gas. Okay, that wasn't enough. You didn't really pop the clutch or have it revved up. More throttle, more throttle. Turn in, there you go. Nice, turn in, more throttle. Turn in, more throttle, more throttle. Let it counter steer, yeah, turn in. Turn in, turn in. Turn in. Turn in. There you go, perfect. Nice. Now I want you to replicate that, but with me out of the car. I want to see how it looks on the outside, okay? Good job though, seriously. I'm so proud. Megan's going out. Megan is Marco's girlfriend. So
Only her third event.
third event. Okay. Oh. Yeah, almost at figure 8 though. That was nice.
Yes! No, too early! I celebrated too early. Dude, you're killing it. I can't believe it's your first time.
I can't believe it.
Yeah, good job, Jess.
I did okay.
Yeah, no, that was great. So I think Jess has going to the left pretty much down. So now we're gonna try to get her to go to the right. But I know that will be a whole other animal just because you don't have the perspective of the cone being so close to you. But if we're gonna get her to do figure 8s today, 100% she needs to get that under her belt. But for now, I'll enjoy my Buc-ee's pineapple while Ant enjoys his Buc-ee's banana chips. Nice. Nice.
So this girls' day has actually been pretty fun. I was super nervous about it at first, but I'm definitely happy that I came out. It's very beginner friendly. I'm pretty new at driving manual, so I really wasn't expecting much, but I'm really happy with all the practice I've gotten in today. So yeah, I basically smoked that. So they're pretty bare right now. I couldn't really do too much left with them because there's no traction, so I told Anthony to go whip that hoe and then we'll change the tires and I'll go out more. This is his first time doing it too, so that's kind of cool. I'm definitely better than him though. Sorry, Anthony.
Oh, stop. Pop the tire. A little bit of a life pro tip. If you ever need a rag, your dad's used old underwear is perfect
why is
for
there
it.
a
Life
stain?
pro tip.
Yo, is that a stain, dog?
Probably.
Oh.
Oh my God. Well, Marco, see, it's the girls' day, so the girl can do everything.
Oh, yeah.
Man, I feel like such a bad boyfriend.
I like it.
It's girls' day. I'm gonna put it on.
Up a little bit.
Don't touch it. Is this the right way? No,
other way.
30 more minutes to the private day. We got to get our money's worth. Swapped out the tires. Congrats to Jay for doing it herself. She's a big girl.
Honestly, I've learned a lot today, but what I'm most proud of is that I can do this strap on my own.
Oh, really? Yeah, true.
That was the hardest thing.
Oh, like I thought I can't. Oh, she saved it. All right. Well, anyways, this is Ant, you know, Panda Gen, or as you know, Bagged. Yo, live action scene, boy. Okay. Okay. Oh, mamacita. Yo, it's damn, Jay, you entering that corner deep, boy. Slay, queen. Slay, boy. Oh, that's damn. Yo, that's ambush drift. You little cheater, pumpkin eater.
I'm proud of myself. Started in the parking lot, just practicing shifting, and made it all the way to kind of a figure 8. So
That's
pretty
awesome.
good for one day.
Oh, yeah. Good job. All right, we just grubbed at Susai.
It's called sushi.
I think it's Susai.
It says sushi.
My buddy worked there, says it's Susai.
It's my people.
But yeah, Jay, solid day. Made me proud. You just gotta get you some more seat time.
Now that I know how to drift, I don't even need you anymore.
Oh, okay.